Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my 2022 Rolling Project Pan finale, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me, and let's hop into the video. So for today's Project Pan update, I'm just going to be talking about the makeup that I kind of left off with. I had a lotion, a skincare product, and a hair care product, but I didn't use those at all since the last update, so we're just gonna forget about those, and we're gonna talk about the makeup that I have used since the last update. So, starting out with my primer, it's been in here all year long. This is the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. I enjoy this a lot. I really thought I would have this done by the end of the year, but I am like right at the bottom. Like I'm probably like at this little orange line right here. I have used this, I wrote down 13 times. I've not been the best at marking my products lately. So this should hopefully be done by spring of 2023, and I will have a primer out of my collection. I don't think I had this in my planning to pan video, but let's just consider it in that video so I can finish this and count it towards that. I was also working on my Tarte Shape Tape, and I have used this 8 times since the last update, at least that I wrote down. I probably used it more. I have a lot of windowing on this product, so we're getting places. Like, I think this will be done early 2023 as well. There's not a ton in here, and I know I always say that with concealers, but I feel like I have a good idea of how I used Shape Tape. This is probably like, I don't know, probably my 8th tube of it. I've gone through many tubes of this, so I feel like we're getting there. We're getting close to the bottom. I have been working on my Kimchi Chic face powder, and I realized I think I rolled this into the last update, and I never marked a line on the bottom, but I wrote down that I've used this 15 times, probably closer to 20. I do enjoy this powder. I don't like it on the under eyes. I realized I don't think it's one I would rebuy because I think I like something with a little bit more of a glow to it, so not something I would repurchase, but I will use it up happily and get it out of my collection. There's a lot of product in here, so who knows if I will get this out next year. We'll have to find out. Next up is my bronzer. I have used this 14 times, actually no, 15 because I used it today. I really wanted this done by the end of the year, but that's not happening. I have the smallest amount left. I am putting off repressing it into the pan because at this point I can't dry repress it, and I hate the look of bronzer in a pan mixed with alcohol and it's not touching the edges. Like, I don't know why, but the look of that like really bothers me. So I've been putting it off. Honestly, I might not even do that, and just when it all starts to crumble, I'm gonna call it done because I feel like I've gotten my, I don't know, this was probably like $5-10 bucks, so I've definitely gotten my money's worth out of it. But yeah, this will hopefully be done in early 2023 as well. Hopefully we'll have a good year of empties. I feel like this year was not as good for me, but hopefully next year I will have a great empties year. I was also working on my Nabla Ozone, the highlighter I was trying to hit pan this year, and then I've only used it 3 times since the last update because I've basically been exclusively using Flexitarian from my Flexitarian highlight from ColourPop. So this has not been getting a lot of love, but I do want to hit pan on it next year. I also rolled in my Ziggy lipstick from ColourPop, but I haven't touched this once, so we're gonna ignore that. But we do have an empty. All of these updates, and we do have an empty. I did finish my Say Glowy Super Gel. This feels like I finished this forever ago, but I know it's been a little bit since I did an update. I used it twice and I can't get anything else out, so this is done. All right, so that is all I have for you today. That is my finale. I feel like I kind of really just fizzled with panning at the end of the year, but I'm feeling a lot more motivated. I'm really excited about the projects I'm doing in 2023, and I'm excited about the products that I want to work on, and I'm just really excited. So this is my finale, and tomorrow you will see my intro for my 2023 version, so I'm really excited about that. And that is all I have for you today. So super quick finale, but I will see you guys tomorrow for the intro, and get ready for panning intro season because that is coming up. So thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!